Hi, welcome to Painting Explorer channel. My name is Deni Junaedi. Now I'll show you unique technique in painting using this one. You know, this Styrofoam. Sorry, my English is not fluent, but I hope you can understand my communication. We will change the brush, use this Styrofoam instead. We will practice in this canvas, but I will show you one of my painting using Styrofoam like this, and we can cut the Styrofoam as long as we need for the size. The material we use is oil color. There are two ways using this technique. The first one is dry technique and the second one is wet technique. Dry technique, we do not use the oil as medium, and wet technique we use it. Okay, let's practice, but please support my channel, Painting Explorer channel, by subscribe this channel. I give you a few seconds. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, let's prepare the Styrofoam. We can cut into the size that we want. To make more dynamic the line of the result, we can do something like this. So the texture of this Styrofoam will variously. Okay, maybe not all of the edge, just in this one and in this one. Okay, there are also two ways in a dry technique of Styrofoam. The first, we use the color, oil color, in this Styrofoam. Maybe we can use the different color. This one, green and yellow. And then we scratch in the canvas. This dry technique, or we can use the color in this canvas, not in the Styrofoam. So use this, but it is still dry because we use dry technique. After this we will try the wet technique. Okay, and then we use the Styrofoam and scrub in this one. We can take this after dry by stamp this canvas. Okay, let's try the second one, that is the wet technique. Okay, first we use this oil. In the wet technique, there are also two ways. We use the color in styrofoam or in canvas. We just practice color in this canvas. First, okay, we will make this wet by the oil in here, and so it's wet like oil in watercolor. Usually we use wet on wet, but it is not in watercolor. Okay. Use the white. Okay. After that, we use this styrofoam and spot. Technique, and it is suitable for abstract, or even you can use it as a certain form. For example, you can add the form here, maybe in here, like the form of trees, for example. Okay, this is the result today, and I'll show you my paintings more. Use this technique. To know my updates, please subscribe Painting Explorer channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.